Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. The amount of intro I have towards vlogs that never made it outside of the editing app is crazy. So guys, today is Sunday and my cousin and the lady surprised me this morning. So she decided that she wanted to go to Rockfort mineral bath. So that's where we're supposed to go today. I want to tell you say, I've been waiting on Shorty since 1 o'clock. She said 1 o'clock, it's after 2, it's almost 3 o'clock. And I don't know Shorty not reach yet. I do have other clips to show you guys because I did indeed go other places and I think I have clips that I want to show you guys. But then I eat my fun see because I feel peckish. I feel a bit like I get hungry soon. Come I eat my gift exchange snack. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. And yeah. So let's just come enjoy the rest of the vlog.
I've been this way for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. In a world full of weirdos, fools, and scrubs, telling them to do for love. You know it's true.
Guys, we're here and it is about 9 minutes to 4. The place closed at 4 on Sundays because Shorty late bad, so thanks be to the 6 o'clock correction, 6 o'clock. If I did in the week, we wouldn't make it because guess so Shorty come minutes to when them for close in the week. So I'm gonna show you guys how inside look and all of that, so stay tuned. We outside, guys. What the heck? People shouting nearly walk away and nobody pay the body. What can go so? Guys, we made it on the compound. Look how much shorty make a want it as we reach in a Kingston for $700. I know that the lady say you would have to come out. Don't worry yourself, you would have to come out. Guys, them bathroom house actually look really clean for work for so long. I personally don't have a lot of stuff to put on because I'm already in my clothes. So I'm just going to take off my sweater. Notice that in there? I don't want to go in. Yeah, because I'm just going to take off this my sweater. Wait, since you are going to put on enough things, come roll it first. I'm going to take off my sweater. Mr. People Shorty have to go down. You know, we're just reaching out the pool and Shorty no feel like healing already. She could have never expected so fast.
You don't feel like regular pool.
That's it. I guess should have come where we go. Guys, there's a lot of people here, but we're outside nonetheless. And I'm about to come now, I'm ear get wet. It looks like it started get wet already. So guys, my cousin and I, we're still trying to get healed. She not feel it. She just come in and people in pool and expects it to heal her same time. She have to go down. She have to go.
Any pain no me feel come there walk on come up supposed to die. I forgot how I sat my back here so. Massage your face though. Your mouth are eating. Your face now your taste the water.
Pick up from my mouth.
Guys, I reckon I pour it now and today I want
People don't listen to her. She will wash her face. Me I heal the pain in my head. It's too much for me.
guys, so if you tell her on no say scam, nobody in that time in the water.
Want to show the over the sun? Oh yeah. We're supposed to in the water no more than 45 minutes. Me no time. Look at the thing like a judge chatting in our 3 feet pool. We not in the water over 45 minutes, but there's no one here to say that we went in at this time. Or if we come out at that time, there is no clock here. It's a pool capacity 50. I feel like I'm more than weight than that in here. Probably, or like me I say, or somewhere close to 50. I went to my headband, it, whatever. You have to time to when I say, I'm going to put that in the water. Not even a clap. You say, ding, 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 move 5. If I'm a mind, it come like a idiot. People feel like the pain in my head. God. Watch it. Put up at your foot. So I'm going to come out of the water and shot me catch acne. Acne pull up in the face. That's why I don't wash the face. My love. People may I feel I'm feeling on my back.
Come stop your back feel.
Stop my back in the water. I see you're so sad. We can pick the white one to take one picture. Supposed to lean back. You look like it has come out every man.
Come after the end of my goal.
So guys, it was good and we're leaving now. I don't know the time. I need a second device we can tell me the time and we can show them the time. So we had a time. It was good, it was worth it. We're bringing down people them healing something, but it was indeed worth it. I shot to do it still, my name is nothing too hard. Right. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. You know, I'm gonna put on the roller or nothing. on KFC and look on the drive-through line. Wait long.
Yeah, Nikki, watch the back of some lane I was.
Get your look at the woman. I'll come right with shots today. Guys, you can't imagine say what they hear so for over 1 hour. Over 1 hour I can't get food. I'm serious, hunger this is bubble gum. I would leave finally get through. The food is here. Food at last. Like how many people are gonna so I put them for you and I'm a vlog.
Idun.